Three cars, one DNA. The TNGAF bloodline is more than just a marketing term. It is a shared skeleton that connects the past, the present, and the future. They represent our human desire to explore, to protect, and to endure. Next time you see a Matchbox on a peg, do not just look at the price tag. Look at the story. Because in these tiny pieces of Diecast, we see the reflection of a world that refuses to stop moving, no matter how rough the road gets. Stay curious, stay driven. And then we have the outlier. The Matchbox Moving Parts 2024 Toyota Sequoia TRDPro. This is not just a car. It is a statement about the modern family and the new frontier of adventure. Notice the moving parts. In a digital age where nothing is tactile, Matchbox gives us something that moves. This Sequoia represents the overlanding trend, a global movement of people wanting to escape the grid. As our cities become smarter and more restricted, we find ourselves yearning for the wild. The Sequoia is the bridge. It is huge. It is hybrid. It is the TNGAF trying to balance power with a changing environmental conscience. It is the struggle of the 21st century in 1:64 scale. But the world changed. The global population boomed. Wealth shifted. We demanded more than just survival. We demanded the pinnacle. Enter the Matchbox Japan Series 2022 Lexus LX. This is the TNGAF platform in a tuxedo. It is a fascinating paradox in our current global climate. While half the world discusses minimalism and carbon footprints, the other half craves this absolute, unshakable security wrapped in leather. It is the fortress on wheels. This casting represents the modern global obsession with the personal bubble. In an unpredictable world, pandemics, social unrest, economic shifts, the Lexus LX is the gold-plated promise that you can stay safe, stay comfortable, and still climb a mountain if you have to. We start here. The Matchbox Japan Series Toyota Land Cruiser Classic. Look at those boxy lines. This represents an era when global issues were not about likes. They were about logistics, reaching the unreachable, bringing medicine to mountains. In a world where we are increasingly divided, this little casting reminds us of a time when the goal was simply to get there and get back. It was the grandfather of the TNGAF. It represents the analog era. No sensors, no screens, just gear and grit. When you hold this, You feel the weight of every desert crossed. It is a reminder that before we looked for tech solutions for global problems, we looked for mechanical ones. They say we live in a disposable world. Everything we buy is designed to break, to be replaced, to end up in a landfill. But some things are built to outlast us. Look at this. Metal, rubber, plastic. To a stranger, it was a $3 toy. But to us, this is the TNGAF bloodline. It was not just a chassis code, it was a survival pact between a company and the planet.